guys, good evening. For the second course today, we are doing a very light and a absolutely stunning dish from southern part of India. It has many names. We know it popularly as Paniyarams. Here we take a batter which is fermented, so very good for health as well, probiotic, has rice flour and lentils which are kept overnight to ferment. We'll do a quick tempering for the batter, mix it with some very interesting ingredients, and then go back to tell you what we do. Using some ghee, you can use butter or oil, doesn't matter. And we will quickly crackle some very interesting spices. So this is rye or mustard seeds, and we need to wait till they crackle. The mustard is some urad dal, which we also will brown and make that extra crispy for a great taste in our dish. Follow that up with some chana dal or grams as we call it, and then curry patta. A lot of our dishes in Indian subcontinent is not complete without a green herb, coriander or cilantro or curry leaves. They crackle, so just mind out. We give it a quick stir and wait for it to get brown. And we don't have to worry too much because we don't want to overcook this. This will be al dente, a little crisp, a little soft. Some green chilies to bring out the character. I will now switch this off and come back to this when it's a little fuller. I'm now going to get the batter ready. You see, this is a little thick, so I need to make this into the right consistency. So I'm going to transfer a small part into another bowl. I'm going to dilute this a little so that I have the right consistency. Yeah, it's dripping a little more easily. I'm going to transfer the temper into the seasoning. As you can see, the dish is now getting a character of its own, very unique and lovely. We will now finish this with some cilantro, chopped coriander, some more fresh ginger, raw here. We'll finish this with little salt. This is ready now to go into the pan, guys. Let's see the magic happen. We are now ready to finish this. I'm going to put some little ghee or butter into these depressions in the pan. It's a very unique kind of pan made for this dish, but very popular these days worldwide. It's a really hot pan now, and you will see how this will help in the beautiful caramelization. Now very carefully we drop this in the center. I'm going to cover them for about 3 minutes. I'll now carefully turn these around. As you can see, it's cooked on one side and they turn very quickly. I will cover this again for 3 minutes now. Ready, guys? Prepare to be completely smashed by this. Now look at this, how beautifully they're all cooked. From the pan into the plate. These are best had with these two dips we've made. One with cilantro and one with raw coconut. And they are absolutely delightful party snacks, an appetizer for before a good meal. And here we go, guys. Cheers, Paniyaram from South India. I'm sure my friends are going to love this.